In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort groups in Airtable and order groups in Airtable. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your groups, rearrange them into the perfect order, and keep everything neatly sorted so your team can scan and act fast. Start by opening your Airtable base and the table that contains the records you want to organize. If you already have a view with grouping applied, select it from the View sidebar so you're working in the right place. If you don't see one yet, no problem. At the top of the table, click Group to open the grouping panel and get started. Next, choose the field Airtable should use for grouping. This is the backbone of how your records will be organized. Common choices include a status field, a priority field, or a team member field. Pick the field that reflects how you think about your work. For example, grouping by priority helps you see urgent tasks first, while grouping by team member makes it easy to check each person's workload. Once you select the field, Airtable will instantly create group sections based on its values. Now, reorder the groups so they reflect your preferred sequence. Simply drag and drop the group headers into the order you want. If you're using a priority field, you might place high at the top, then medium, then low. This custom order overrides the default alphabetical or numerical arrangement, letting you present information in the way that makes the most sense for your workflow. With your group order set, you can sort the records inside each group to keep things tidy. Click Sort, and choose how you want records arranged within the groups, such as by due date, by name, or by created time. You can set ascending or descending order, and even add multiple sort conditions. This doesn't change the group order you just set. It only organizes the rows inside each group for easier scanning. As you work, collapse or expand groups to focus on what matters. Click the small arrow beside a group name to collapse it when you want less visual noise, or expand it when you need to see every record. This is especially helpful in large tables. Finally, Airtable automatically saves your group order and sorting settings for this view, so you and your collaborators will see the same organized layout the next time you open it. That's all you need to confidently sort and order groups in Airtable. Thanks for watching.